Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the lesson areas related to circles. In this lesson, we will be revising what is circumference of circle, what is area of a circle, then some of the problem related to sector, segment, etc. So let us see what is a circle and its circumference, area, etc. Already we know it. We know what a circle is. It's a collection of points from center. Center is a fixed point from which a collection of points at a particular distance. Now let us see what is the circumference of circle. This circle is having center O and radius R. Let us mark a point P. OP is the length which we call it as radius. Now circumference, we will revise what it is. Recall what is circumference of circle. Circumference of circle formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. R is the radius, pi value we know 22/7 or 3.14. If we know radius, we can find out circumference of the circle. Circumference means it is the length around the circle. That is called circumference. Now area of the circle. Area of circle equal to pi r square. If we know the radius, formula is pi r square. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square. That comes in square units, whereas circumference comes in same unit, centimeter, meter or whatever is given to us. Let us move on to exercise. Exercise 12.1, first question. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of circle which has circumference equal to sum of the circumferences of two circles. Here we have got two circles. One circle is having radius 9 centimeter and the other is having radius 19 centimeter. So there are two circles having radii 19 and 9 respectively. Find radius of the circle which has circumference equal to, that means newly formed circle, for which circumference equal to sum of circumferences of these two circles. Sum of circumferences of two circles which are having radius 19 and 9 respectively. So let us find out what is circumference of first circle. Let us call it as C1 and circumference of second circle having radius 9 is C2. So therefore radius R1 I can write it as 19 centimeter. Here R2 second circle it is 9 centimeter radius. So therefore, what will be circumference of first circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the formula. Here r1 I have taken. So here C2 will be 2 pi r2. Now sum of the circumferences we have to find out. How to get sum of circumferences. Sum of circumferences, let me call it as C, that is equal to C1 plus C2 we can take. What is C1 and C2 we have to substitute. What is C1? It is 2 pi R1 plus 2 pi R2. 2 pi is common, you can take out inside R1 plus R2. Pi value we can substitute, it is given 2 into 22/7 into R1 we have written 19 centimeter plus R2 it is 9 centimeter. So 2 into 22/7 into 19 plus 9 is 28. So our question is to find out new radius, that is newly formed circles radius, that is what is the C? Isn't it 2 pi r circumference of newly formed circle, that is C, is equal to 2 pi r. That we got as 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. So we can compare 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. Pi will be getting cancelled. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Therefore, what is our r is equal to? Isn't it 28 centimeter? That is the radius of circle having, that is the radius of the newly formed circle, where C1 plus C2 we have found out. C1 plus C2 is 2 into 22 by 7 into 28, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is circumference of circle, which is equal to sum of the circumferences of two other circles. So r is equal to 28 centimeter. The second question is also just like first question. In the first question it was sum of the circumferences, whereas in this question it is sum of areas. Let us see the question. Radii of two circles are 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to sum of areas of two circles. First circle area pi r1 square. Second circle area pi r2 square. Sum of the areas will be area of newly formed circle. Let us see what is our r1 is equal to 8 centimeter, r2 equal to 6 centimeter. r1 8 centimeter, r2 6 centimeter. Therefore, area 1, that is equal to pi r square. Here r1 square. Area 2, that is pi r2 square. Okay. Sum of the areas, A is equal to A1 plus A2. The sum of the areas, A equal to pi r square we will take. Okay. A1 will be pi r1 square plus A2 will be pi r2 square. That's equal to pi into r1 square plus r2 square. Okay. So, let us have the cancelling pi on both the side. Therefore, this is equal to r1 square. It is 8 square. R2 is 6 square. 8 8s are 64 plus 6 square is 36. 64 plus 36 is 100. That is equal to 10 square. That is r square is equal to 10 square. Therefore, what is r is equal to? R is equal to 10. The unit is given as centimeter. R is equal to 10 centimeter. Let us see the third question. Figure 12.3 depicts an archery target made with its 5 scoring region from center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of region representing gold score is 21 centimeter. Gold score is the innermost part. Diameter is 21 centimeter. So half of that is called radius. So radius will be 21 by 2. That's equal to 10.5 centimeter. So let us write r is equal to 10.5 centimeter. And each of other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. That is, red band is of 10.5 centimeter width. Again, the blue, black as well as white, they are of 10.5 centimeter width. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring region. 5 scoring regions are gold, red, blue, black and white. Area we have to find out. First we have to find out area of the circle, that is our gold scoring area. Then comes a ring shaped structure. This ring, how do we get the red ring? This scoring area, that is total of these two areas, that is gold and red together minus this gold area. So let us find out each one of them. Okay, one by one we will be finding out. Let us see how to do. First, radius of gold area we will be knowing it as 10.5 centimeter. Therefore, its area, it's a circular shape, area of, we can write it as area of gold scoring area, gold scoring region. Gold scoring region, that's equal to pi r square. Pi r square is area formula. So let us substitute the value. Here diameter is given as 21 centimeter, therefore it is equal to 10.5. Pi is 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5 pi r square. So how to calculate 22 by 7 into 10.5? We can cancel. Then we have to multiply by 10.5 again. How to cancel? 1 time. This is 1 times 7. 3 remainder 3.5. 3.5 means 7 5s are 35. Give the decimal. Now we are going to multiply this. When you multiply, you will be getting the answer as 346.5 cm square. That is area of the gold scoring region. We can find out gold scoring region area is equal to 346.5 cm square. Now second one is area of the red region. That's what I have drawn in this figure. You can see how to get red region. That is, we have to think of the first two region, that is gold region and around which we have red region. So how to get red region? The total of this minus gold region. First we have to find out area of the complete one, that is from here, from center to this point. That will be the radius of the two circle or radius of the bigger circle. Radius of the bigger circle is from center to point of the circle. So how much it will be? It is r plus r. Radius is 10.5. Here we know. From here to here it is 10.5. Again 10.5. R plus r. Okay, r plus r is 2r. Here the radius is 2r. We can write it as 2r. R plus r. 2r is the radius of bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle we have to calculate. So let us write the step. Area of red scoring region. Red scoring region. That is, here we have to find out area of the bigger circle. Area of the bigger circle is pi r square. Here r is 2r. Hope you understood how do we get 2r. That is radius 10.5 plus 10.5. Same length is given. That's why I am taking it as 2r. Pi r square. So here our r is 2r. It's a whole square. So let us then minus area of red scoring region. In order to get that, this bigger area minus smaller area. Smaller area is pi into r square. Radius r square. So here you have to consider it as minus. Okay. That is equal to 2 square is 4 r square. 4 pi r square minus pi r square. Pi r square is this one pi r square become 3 pi r square. This calculation will be simple. That's why I am showing it in this way. Okay, so now we have to multiply 3 pi r square substitution. 3 into 22 by 7 into radius 10.5 into 10.5. All this calculation you do in the working column. So when we cancel, it will be, so before that it will be very easy because pi r square already we have found out. Here it is 3 pi r square. So no need of cancelling. Even without cancelling, it is 3 pi r square we know, that is 3 into pi r square value. Here we got it as, first one is pi r square. We got it as 346.5. 346.5. So here you don't want to cancel and don't want to multiply again. It takes lot of time. This is the shortest way. This step is not necessary. 3 pi r square we are getting. 3 into pi r square is 346.5. What is that equal to? You multiply these two, you'll be getting it as 1039.5 cm square. That is area of red scoring region. Area of red scoring region. That's equal to 1039.5 cm square. Next comes blue region. Blue region comes around it. You can see here it will be blue region. So how much you have to subtract? That is the bigger circle having radius. This will be the radius. R plus R plus R. 3R. 3R will be the radius of this. 3R. So here we have to write area of blue scoring region. Blue scoring region, that is equal to area of bigger circle is pi into r square. R square is 3r whole square we have to write. 3r whole square minus pi r square minus inner side. What is inner side? For blue region it is up to this circle we have to subtract. This circle we have to subtract from bigger one. This circle means radius is 2r we know. So pi r square, 2r square. Okay. So pi into 3 square is 9r square minus pi into 4r square. That is written as 9 pi r square minus 4 pi r square. How much? 9 minus 4 is 5 pi r square. That's equal to 5 into pi r square value we have 346.5 cm square. 346.5 cm square. That's equal to, what is it equal to? You have to multiply and get it. 5 into 346.5 cm square. Here we get the answer. 5 into 346.5 cm square, that's equal to 1732.5 cm square. This is blue scoring region. Area we got, it has 1732.5 cm square. After that it comes to black. So area of black scoring region. Black scoring region. So from the figure you can make out blue scoring over black scoring means R plus R plus R plus R. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 R square will come. So pi into 4R whole square minus, just below that it will be 1, 2, 3 only. So 3R square. Pi into 3R square. That is, you are subtracting area of this region, this area from this bigger circle. Okay, so 4 square 16 pi r square minus 3 square 9 pi r square. 16 minus 9. So it's equal to 7 pi r square. That is 7 into pi r square value 346.5 cm square. That is equal to, what is that? 2425.5 cm square. That is the area of black scoring region. So we can just mark it, black scoring regions area. Black scoring regions area we got now. Now the last region is area of white region. White region is the outermost one. You can see the figure. Area of white scoring region. So we can find out area of white scoring region. So how much will be our R now? Pi r square. Pi into, it comes as 5. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 regions are there. 5r square minus, just below that it will be pi into 4r square. So this method is very simple for calculation. 5 square 25, pi r square minus 4 square 16, pi r square. 25 minus 16, that's equal to 9 pi r square. We can substitute 9 into 346.5, that's equal to, multiply all of you are getting the answer, 3118.5 cm square. That is the area of white region. Now we got all the 5 regions area. It is very simple to calculate. You reduce each one so that you will be getting it. This is 4th question, last question of the today's session. Let us see what it is. A wheel of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Car speed is given as 66 km per hour. That means in 1 hour it moves 66 km. Whereas diameter of the wheel is given in 80 centimeter. So we are going to convert it into meters. That is 66 kilometer is same as, we have to multiply because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 66 kilometer equal to 66,000 meters in 1 hour. 1 hour is same as 60 minutes. So in 1 minute how much it moves we have to find out. Okay, so let us see that diameter is given as diameter of wheel. Diameter of wheel equal to 80 centimeter. Therefore radius is equal to 40 centimeter, half of it. So in one revolution, how much distance is traveled by the wheel? So if this is the shape of the wheel circular, so it touches on the rod, here it touches on the rod and moves along with the rod, moves around, just revolve it. So it touches each and every point on the rod. So what is it actually? Touching each of this point of the circle means it is called circumference of the circle. So by one revolution, wheel is touching the rod, we can consider it as circumference of the circle. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r, that is same as distance moved in one revolution, because at each and every point of the circle touches on the rod. Distance traveled by, or distance moved in one revolution, traveled in one revolution we can say. Okay, circumference of this wheel equal to distance traveled in one revolution. We can consider it as 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into, the radius will be 40 centimeter. Let it be there. Now we have to see what is the speed of this car. Speed is equal to 66 kilometer by 1 hour. That is same as, when we convert it into meters, 66 into 1000 we have to multiply. That comes in meters. Then divided by 1 hour is 60 minutes. This comes in meter per minute. That means speed of car is 66,000 meter in 60 minutes. Therefore, in 1 minute, in 60 minutes, it moves 66,000 meters. So, in 1 minute, it is, that is distance in 1 minute. Distance traveled by car. Traveled by car in 60 minutes is 66,000 meters. Therefore, in 1 minute, it is 66,000 by 60. Okay, so 66,000 meters in 60 minutes. So in 1 minute 66,000 by 60. Therefore distance in 10 minutes, that is what they have given. We will make in 10 minutes. So distance traveled in 10 minutes, that's equal to 66,000 by 60 into 10. Again once more I'll explain if you don't understand. First we have to consider car wheel as circular. So this circle is having revolution. In one revolution circumference is equal to 2 pi r. That we are finding out as 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. 40 comes in centimeter. That we can convert to meter. How do we convert? If you divide it by 100, it is getting converted to meter. Now it is in meter. Let us write it as in meter. Okay. Now speed of the car is 66 kilometer per hour. 66,000 meter by 60 minutes. That means in 60 minutes car is moving 66,000 meters. Therefore in 1 minute it moves 66,000 by 60. Therefore distance traveled in 10 minutes is this into 10. So distance traveled in 10 minutes we have found out already. So what we have to do in the next step? In one revolution, the circumference, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 40 by 100. Therefore, distance moved in n revolution. Moved in n revolution. N revolution will be equal to distance travelled in 10 minutes. So n revolution it takes to move in 10 minutes. Distance travelled in 10 minutes. In both the cases we have converted the distance to meters. That you have to be very careful. Centimeter I converted to meter in this case by the wheel of the car. Then speed is given in kilometer, that I converted to meters. Meters per minute. So let us equate both. Distance moved in n revolution. N times it revolves to reach such a distance 66,000 meters in 10 minutes. Let us see that. So distance moved in n revolution, that is 2 pi r into n, that is n into 2 into 22 by 7 into 40 by 100. This is our n 2 pi r, distance moved in n revolution. That's equal to distance travelled in 10 minutes. We have found out 66,000 into 10 by 60. We can cancel 0 0 getting cancelled, that is 10 by 10 we are cancelling. Here we have 0 0 getting cancelled, and this becomes 2 times, this becomes 5 times. Again 6 with this number 66,000, 6 1 time, 6 1 time, then comes triple zeros. So let n be here, we will transfer everything. So 11,000 into denominator become numerator on the other side, divided by 2 into 22 into 2 comes, you have to cancel and get the value. By 11 you can cancel 2 time, by 11 1 time, give the zeros, 1000 we are getting. So now we have to find out 7 5s are 35,000 divided by 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 comes. We have to cancel again 35,000 by 8. That's equal to by 2 if we cancel 4 we are getting. Here it is 17500 by 4. If you divide you will be getting it as, so by 4 we can cancel 4 1 time, by 4 4 4s are 16, 15 comes, 4 3s are 12, 3 remainder 13, 4 7s are 28, then comes 20, now comes 5 4s are 24,000, 375 rotation it makes. 4375 rotation in order to reach 66,000 meters. So in 10 minutes it will be 66,000 into 10 by 60. Hope you understood. All of you complete your notes. Stay safe. Bye.